how to fulfill orders on Shopify Alibaba or for your Alibaba dropshipping. So in order to fulfill orders on Shopify, first of all, you need to open up your Shopify application. After that, you'll need to click on apps in the left hand side bar. After that, on the search box, you'll need to type in Alibaba dropshipping. So here you'll be able to see multiple options. So from here you'll need to go ahead and tap on Dropshipping Alibaba Official. You'll need to first of all install the application if you haven't, and you'll also need to log in or sign up with an Alibaba account. Once again, for the confirmation, tap on Install App located right on top. Basically, you'll need to create an account. So for that, enter in your email address and then your password. If you don't have an account, you can also sign up with Google ID. Now after the account has been created, now what you need to do is you need to look for the product that you wish to add it on your Shopify. For example, I'm just gonna go with this random product. Basically, after you're done selecting the product, you'll need to add it to your import list. Now what you have to do is after you're done adding the product to your import list, you'll need to go to your Shopify account once again. After you added the product to your import list, you'll need to go ahead and open up your Shopify and then go to products. Here you'll be able to see the products that you've import. You need to go to import products, and over here you'll be able to see the particular item that you've imported on your Alibaba account. In this way, you can fulfill orders on Shopify from your Alibaba dropshipping. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.